In this short video, we show how to calibrate the VialTweeter sonication setup. The Hielscher UP200St can sonicate up to 10 vials at the same time. It delivers intensive and reproducible results. With the built-in calibration function of the UP200St, you can measure exactly how much ultrasonic power reaches your samples. During calibration, the system runs without any vials inserted. It measures the power needed to vibrate the VialTweeter alone. This value is used as a baseline. The device then calculates the net power delivered to your samples during sonication. Total power and net power are saved automatically on the SD card. Before you start, make sure the VialTweeter sonotrode is tightly mounted. Do not insert any vials. On the touchscreen, open the settings. Scroll to the calibration screen using the arrow buttons. Press Start. The calibration runs automatically. It takes about 25 to 30 seconds. When calibration is finished, insert your sample vials. For example, 1.5 milliliter Eppendorf tubes. If needed, press the reset button on the calibration screen to clear the calibration. You can repeat the calibration at any time. In general, recalibrate whenever the sonotrode has been removed and mounted again. At 100% amplitude, the VialTweeter provides very intense sonication. Use the lowest amplitude setting that works for your process. To reduce stress on the vials, use cycle mode or the period clock function. A good starting point is 2 seconds on and 4 seconds off. Sonication of closed vials isn't limited to the standard VialTweeter. Hielscher offers various customized versions for specific geometries and larger volumes, such as 50 milliliter Falcon tubes. For high-throughput workflows, Hielscher offers a plate sonicator, which can be used to sonicate multi-well plates, petri dishes, or vials. We hope this video was helpful. If you have questions, please contact us. For more videos, subscribe to our channel or visit hielscher.com/VT. Thank you.